time out. What the hell am I doing? I'm trying to get in tune with like the not even a truck, it's an SUV, and I'm trying to get like in the zone with it, you know what I mean, and make you guys watch a cool video. But time out, cut the tapes, let's just move on with the video. This is good enough. Let's move on with the video. All right, yeah, so on with the video. Hope you guys like the beginning of this video, because I tried hard. I mean, I tried putting it into perspective based on like me just getting it and like really being in tune to it, almost like some of the big lifted cool trucks we build and sports cars, fast sports cars we drive and everything, but on this channel. But today I'm just not feeling it. So with that I can't even speak right because it's got my mind all mixed up on like what I'm usually used to previewing and reviewing to what I'm reviewing now, which is really cool though, because here's the deal. Guys, check this out. This is Mark. This behind me is a 2013 GMC Acadia SLT, black leather loaded, sunroof, moonroof, that's right, front and rear, sunroof, moonroof, whatever you call that back one. Michelin tires, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, storage, tow package, everything you can possibly want in a cool mid-size SUV. This is it right here. And I made the video cool, so I know I can stand behind it. Mechanically, top to bottom, perfect. Inside and out, perfect. There might be a dent right there on the fender, if that. I could probably get my PDR guy, paintless dent removal guy, to take that out, because that would be nothing right there. Tires are in great shape right here. We probably got about 85% tread, front to rear, left to right. Underside is very, very clean. No rust, nothing like that. I'll show you guys. Inside, let's scope out the inside. So you got, I'll show you the mats, because it has mats actually. And if I can, let me see, get back here. It's tight back here. Let's see, not too bad actually, I shouldn't say that. But you got the sunroof up here, little screen cover. Moonroof back here, you just click the little button and boom, right back. And cool part is this third row seating. Yeah, guys, third row seat, really clean. This car was super well taken care of. You got like a cool little storage compartment down there. You got your mats that buckle in here, which I'll show you there in the back. And I can squeeze all the way to the back. And remotely speaking from the back seat, it's not too bad back here. I mean, you do have a good amount of room. I'm 6 foot tall and my knees are barely touching the back seat, and I'm reclined all the way when I was driving. I mean, it's a really cool SUV. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It is a very cool SUV. The back seat, let's jump in the back seat real quick. I'm 6 foot tall, so let's see how the back seat fits. Let's see, I'm all the way in the back seat. Impressive, very impressive. My knees don't touch at all. You got rear HVAC back here. You got your seatbelt buckle for the baby seat, whatever you want to call it. There's your mats right there that buckle in. All the mats are included. You got your storage bin under there. Electric tailgate, moms. Electric tailgate. Guys, when you're with your boys right here, bring a Coors Light because they fit perfect right there. This side too. Let's get out of here and show you guys the rest of the SUV. Beautiful, beautiful wood. It's like a dark cherry, or it's like a dark wood grain. It's really nice accents on this. I do like it. I've been driving it for a while. I hate to admit that. I'm not a soccer mom, but I do like this because it's incognito. It's cool. The leather's great. It's got white stitching all around, and it's a nice SUV. You got the center console that can, small compartment there. The lower button down here goes back all the way, or forward all the way. If it goes back, it reveals another compartment where you can put your dimes, nickels, and quarters, and whatever you want to put in there. Another compartment that has a plug down there to plug in your butt plugs. And right here you got tailgate, operate on or off, traction control on or off to do burnouts, because soccer moms are cool and they do burnouts too. Rear window washer, heated seats, heated lower seat, dual climate control, everything. Secret compartment up top with your USB in there to plug in stuff. OnStar, Bluetooth, the moonroof by one button, boom, retracts back. It's really nice, guys. It really is. Side pockets there, side pockets here. GM did an outstanding substantial job at really designing this SUV, and I'm happy for it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. These are all Michelin tires. They're the Michelin Defender X or LTXs. And these are a 255 60 19 wrapped around a 19 by something factory wheel. Check it out, guys. But let's check out the back. Ready? Look at that. Automatic, all-wheel drive too, guys. This is all-wheel drive. Snow, no problem. Rear cover, that's the vent, whatever you call it. All the mats are here. All of these are in great shape. These seats fold down. Watch this. Boom! Seats fold down for a huge cargo area. You want to pull it back up? Grab it by the neck, pull it back up. There you go. It's really nice. It really is, guys. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Storage compartment down there. Spare tire, I believe, is underneath. Hit the button, down she goes. Automatic start. Here's what the key looks like right here. Super nice. All automatic tailgate. Let's pump the hood. Best part about it, right? Start her up. Well, I got Bluetooth, so I'm not going to start it up. The Bluetooth does kick on. I'll show you the miles. It's got 114. Come on, don't kick on Bluetooth. Don't kick on. Don't kick on. 114,000 miles, guys. Pump the hood. Show you what's under the dress. All right, come on. If I can get to the hood pumper. There we go. Here's the driver's side control, window lock, windows, mirrors, locks. And there you have it again, that beautiful wood grain. I love it. Absolutely love it. Door jambs are good. Check out the door jambs. No rust, nothing like that. There's the VIN number. You can check it out. No damage on the doors. Built by GM. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. And it's nice, it's got the LED lights on the side. Let me show you guys. Check it out. If I can get it, try this video quick for you guys. Hold on. Look at that. Ready? Here's the lights. It's better off seeing it in nighttime, but yeah, you can kind of see it. See it? Yeah, it's like the eyebrow, like the halo look. It looks really cool. It's doing that right now in the camera because the camera is not really understanding the LED, but it doesn't look like that. It's all solid in the daytime. It doesn't flicker at all. That's just, cameras do that for some random reason. It's like when you put your phone up to a computer screen, it does the same thing. It's got ambient lighting too, so all the ambient lighting, if you guys don't know what that means, is the ambient lighting comes under the door and under the sill right here. Nice little faint light. It's really cool. The grill's very nice. You got the typical GM grill. Up the hood is super clean, all fresh oil change. There's a 3.6 liter fuel injected engine. Super nice. All the fluids have been changed and checked out. Under there is clean. It's a real clean SUV, guys. It really is. It's going to be under 15 grand, pricing under 15,000. I want to say it's like, I'm probably gonna price this sucker at like 13 grand or 13.9. Don't take my word on it. Check the listing down below. Click on the actual title, 2013 GMC, and you'll see the link and everything, what's going on. So, hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out with the 2013 GMC Sierra. All right, go. What am I saying? I'm so looped in these videos of these trucks, guys. GMC Acadia SLT. A little bit of condensation on the taillight, but who cares? It fades away with the sun. But yeah, luggage rack. All that jazz. Hope you guys like the video. See you guys later. Bye. Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry Christmas. Bye. Bye.